Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to add or subtract quadratic expressions. So in this case, I have a bracket and it is positive. So when it is positive, we do not change any of the signs. So in this case here, I will still have my negative 2x squared, positive 5, positive x squared, negative 3x. And this will be equals to, I'm going to simplify all the like terms. I will have my negative 2x squared plus 1x squared, negative 1x squared. And I saw that there's no more like terms. I have a negative 3x. And a positive 5. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.